Budget 2025 will be presented on February 1 by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. This annual event is crucial as it outlines the government's financial priorities and economic strategy for the upcoming year. But do you know that there is one budget in India's history which is also known as the Black Budget? So what was the Black Budget and when was it presented? The budget for 1973 and 74 was called as the Black Budget. This budget stands out for its stark revelation of India's economic vulnerabilities. After the 1971 India-Pakistan war, the country's finances were severely strained. The war expenses had drained the treasury, and to make matters worse, natural disasters, especially drought, led to a sharp fall in agricultural output. These combined challenges triggered a significant budget deficit as government revenue plummeted while expenditure soared. In the 1973 and 74 budget, then Finance Minister Yashwantrao B. Chavan disclosed a staggering fiscal deficit of Rs 550 crore, which was an unprecedented figure at that time. The finance minister further explained that the drought had severely impacted food grain production, which in turn deepened the budget deficit. However, despite the crisis, the government took bold steps in this budget. One significant measure was the allocation of Rs 56 crores for the nationalization of coal mines, insurance companies and the Indian Copper Corporation. The idea was that nationalizing coal mines would address rising energy demands and help stabilize the economy. Overall, the 1973-74 Black Budget reshaped India's fiscal landscape, pushing the government to adopt stringent financial discipline and reassess its economic policies. Were you aware of this information or not? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.